Hey girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it's another planner and journal subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. Hey girls, welcome back. Before I go ahead and flip you around and show you, this is our May planner and journal subscription box. If you are one of our subscribers or thinking about becoming one, then whichever camp you're in, either you want to see the real reveal or you don't. We have two different types of women who want to see it and then who do want to be surprised. But here I'm going to give you a reveal of it before it comes to your door. This video, when you find it, will be before the deadline to get this box. You have until the 10th of each month to be able to receive next month's items. So this gives you today, the rest of today and tomorrow to be able to get in on this box if indeed you'd like to receive it. So I really had May in mind. There are some art that has been spun around and actually that you may have seen but has not been on a cover. And I'm excited to pull it out for May because it deserves some attention. I'm gonna turn you around and show you the box. Let's go. So this is the box it comes in. Let's open it right up. I just kind of had put, there's excess here, it doesn't come with this much. But we've got our canvas bag that has our, houses our planner and journal. There are 3 different subscriptions you can get, and that's the planner and journal, just the planner, or just the journal. And then those are our 3 that include the planner and journal. And then we also do carry an accessory box. So that would be 4 different options for you. Let's just go ahead and dive right in to, this is the planner and journal. This in particular is in wide. And yes, so I don't know if you guys remember this one. She had made a debut in on one of the tip-ins, and she had never made it onto a book, and I knew that it was time. So I did paint. I actually took from her picture and the flower from it and put it all over the back. And you know, May, my oldest daughter, Abigail, is a May baby, and flowers, and her birthday is always gorgeous. So flowers, April showers bring May flowers, okay. So I really wanted it to be floral heavy, and I just love this. I thought it represented May very, very well. I loved everything that was chosen for fonts and such to really represent May in such a beautiful way. And I hope that you love this as much as we do, so that May can be celebrated. So this was also made in acrylic. I painted this in acrylic. Now this one, we had a ton of women asking for the February back that I painted cover to be on the front of the cover. And we did it. And so because it's floral, we wanted to make it a wrap. And so that is what we did. So it is a true floral theme for May, for sure. It looks very, very appropriate for it. I also wanted to have a beautiful quote. I thought the layout of the quote was beautiful because it looks like you'd be picking this up at Target, in my opinion. I just thought that the whole thing was absolutely journal worthy. May, we've been waiting for you, the most colorful month of all because of all the flowers. And I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. So a lot goes into this, to the design, from, you know, which fonts to how the layout to the back and the wrapping and the, you know, do we wrap it around? It's just, there's so much thought that goes into this, and I hope you appreciate it as much as we feel it turned out to bless you. Let's move on. This is the journal. This is the planner. It's going to go beautifully within your traveler's notebook, whichever one you're using for your spring. So then next in the box, I'll go ahead and show you the stickers. So we've got some tulips, we've got our birds and flowers. We brought this one back in more of a square. These are really fun to use in your calendar. So that's kind of fun. And then we've got the picture, we've got some new flowers. We brought this one out, which has never been a sticker before. And just wanted to give you an array of spring flowers for your planning and journaling needs. And so I hope that you do love all of these. We've got our tip-ins. So we do have the yellow pitcher, and it comes nice and tightly wrapped. And we've got the yellow pitcher. We've got the blue hydrangea, which is a big favorite. So it represents so well, and it comes back for airtime whenever it needs to be. Strawberries, tulips, and hello spring. And then this washi, never been before. Look at how beautiful this turned out. So I actually took some of the paper off, and I wanted to show you what these will look like because it's hard to see when it's wrapped around, but this is the picture. These are the roses, and then I chose yellow. Because those are what's in the journals, so the yellow is taken from the picture and represents so well. So let me go ahead and even show you. Move this aside. So we've got, here's the yellow. So this yellow was taken from my picture. Isn't it pretty? There's a good lighting there. I'll try to zoom in. And then the cute picture. Isn't it cute? I think it was even best to see it just when I had it just right there. But there she be. That is the May sub box reveal, girls. I hope that you liked it, and remember, if you want to be a part of this box, you have for today to get in on it and tomorrow to get in on this box. We've got a full floral package. And I hope that you love it as much as we do. Thanks, you guys.